Today, I'm going to show you how to make a QR code for your Amazon registry. This is a great way to share your registry with friends and family, especially at events like bridal showers or baby showers, where people can simply scan the code with their phones to access your wish list instantly. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, you'll be ready to locate your registry and create that QR code. Now, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Find a List or Registry. This will take you to a page where you can search for and access different registries and wish lists. Next, click on the registry you want to make a QR code for. This will open up your registry page where you can view all the items you've added and manage your list settings. Once you're on your registry page, look up at the top toolbar and click on your registry. This ensures you're viewing the specific registry you want to create a QR code for and puts you in the right spot to generate the code. Now here's where we create the actual QR code. Right-click anywhere on the page and a context menu will pop up. From this menu, select Create QR Code for this page. This browser feature generates a QR code that links directly to your registry, making it incredibly convenient for sharing. After you select that option, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen displaying your newly created QR code. This code can be scanned by any smartphone camera to instantly open your registry. To save it for later use, click Download. The QR code image will then be saved to your computer's download folder. Finally, to view or use your downloaded QR code, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser where you'll find the Download section. Click on it to see your recent downloads, then click Open to view the QR code file. You can now print it, share it digitally, or display it however you'd like, and that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Amazon registry that anyone can scan to view your wish list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.